All right, here we go. Guys, this is Rod with Bear River. I am back. It is Saturday, April 11th. I've already done 2 rips, 2 breaks this morning. Now, what we're going after is the PMGs, the Metallurgy cards, and we're looking for Spider-Man, we're looking for Thor, we're looking for the Hulk. Can't think right off the top of my head who else I'd want as far as these Marvel Masterpieces 92 Platinum cards. Silver Surfer is a good one. Anyway, the main thing is that Metallurgy or that PMG. And there's other things in here that are pretty cool. You got lenticulars, are they called? If I'm saying that right, lenticular. There we go. And then you've got leather, you've got canvas. There's just different, because there are metal cards that come in this. But the PMGs, like a PMG Spider-Man, is worth a lot of money, especially if it grades high. So let's get going on this. This is what it is. I have already did a break on this for Bear River a few days ago, and we got some pretty cool cards. We did not get any substantial bangers. Certainly not a PMG or a Metallurgy. A hard time saying that. But here we go. These are running just at $200 a box now, give or take. So let's crack it. As you know, the Upper Deck has lost their license with Marvel now. Topps has got it. Fanatics kind of sucks, because I really like Upper Deck. I hope that they do get it back one day. Oh, I forgot about this security tape. But Upper Deck has always been a favorite of mine. I do like Topps. I'm not hating on Topps. But I don't know. I just feel like they've kind of cornered the market on everything. Kind of like PSA. I don't think it's good for the hobby or the culture when you've got these superpowers that are just kind of running everything. But it is what it is. All right, let's get this. Even the crickets. Okay, here we go. If I can get this folded. This probably goes... How's this go? One of these little side tabs have a foldy, and I'm not sure why. Anyway, good enough. Falling out. It's a little box. It's a little tight there. All right, there's the... Put that back now. Pardon me. Allergies, as always, this time of year in Idaho. I fight them for about 2 months. But here's the 92 Marvel Masterpieces Platinum. These are just super cool cards. Very well done. The print job is excellent. The card itself is excellent. So let's see what we find here. We want that PMG, okay? Or that Metallurgy card. That's what we're looking for. The battle scenes are cool too. The comic book cover variants. This is a great, just so you know, this is a great product to rip. It's a lot of fun. I've enjoyed it a lot. Of course, these come out in '92, the original comic book run. Card run. So here we go. We have Galactus. That is a base card. We have Hazardous Territory. Cyclops, of course. Okay. All right. We do have this Thor. This is a clear cut. Yeah, clear cut. Have a little bit of focusing problems with this camera sometimes. So I'm trying to find a spot as far as distance from the camera where it works the best. Let's put this up here. Thor is on the board. We have Electro, and that is a base. Good looking cards, nice and shiny. Love the chrome effect. Okay, we have base Apocalypse. We have Hulk. Corner Box Creations, that's considered a pretty decent hit, I think, because it is the Hulk. Hulk is a fan favorite. I know he's a favorite of mine. I've always liked the Hulk. On display there, we've got, well, this is a holofill. Psylocke holofill. Okay, there we go. All right, so you will see that Marvel Masterpieces on the holofill, excuse me. If you can see that, I hope that's refracting right so you can see that. Super cool card, look at that. I think that I've got it. Nice cards, right? Cool. You go up there too. And we have, almost dropped Dazzler. Glad it wasn't a good card. She slipped out of my hand. Cool. We are on the third pack. Easy rip packages. That's cool. We've got White Queen. We've got, this is cool. We have a rainbow. Cool. Black Cat, of course. We can see the rainbow in this. Like I said, get a box of these. I don't know why you can still get them. The price has gone up substantially. It's starting to fall again. It seems like all the big people that companies I order for the secondary market, Burbank, Dave and Adams, Blowout Cards. Who else do I order from? Steel City. They're all about the same price. It's like, I think they monitor each other's websites and basically just follow each other's prices. So you can get them from some of the smaller sellers and some offshoot, or say card shops and stuff that maybe are not running, you know, the big stores across the United States. All right. eBay, of course, as you know, you can get good deals, but for the most part, you're going to get taken to the cleaners on eBay. For the most part, not always. So we got canvas. We got a canvas here. Cage. And then we've got a base of Bishop. I'd love to get a PMG or a Metallurgy card. They are the chase cards, the price cards. They're few and far between, let me tell you. Captain Britain, which I just think is super funny. I guess they had to have their version of Captain America. We have Farrell on the pink lasers. Cool looking card. Okay. Up here. This is pretty cool. I like these cards a lot. This is the lenticular I was telling you about. Check it out. Nice card of Elektra. This is really weird because I've got a video of the other break I did on this hobby box. 92 platinum, and I'm watching my own YouTube, and I just pulled Electra on the previous video that's on right now, and I just pulled this Electra lenticular. So I don't know what all that means. Kind of cool. And we got a base of cable. We have Rogue base. We have Fantastic Four, excuse me, stuck together here. Fantastic Four. That is a base. I thought this was a hit, but it's not. Still a good looking card. What is this, a leather? Yes, we have a leather on Phoenix. And we have a base on Shatterstar. Namorita base. Black Panther. This is a super cool card. What is this? Fantastic covers. Okay, so that is considered a hit. That is a really cool card, guys. Check that out. Black Panther. And again, that is called the Fantastic Covers. Nice card. Nice card. So we carefully set this down on top of the other ones. Clear Cut, Wishes to Be Different, Namorita. So we'll put Namorita with Psylocke, Green Goblin. Here's a base. We have Sandman, that is a base. We have Magneto, this is a canvas. We have Ghost Rider on a rainbow. Which way is this? What am I looking at here? Okay. Ghost Rider on the rainbow. Okay, cool. We have Mole Man on the base. Hawkeye on the base. North Star on the base. It's on the base. Check all these when I get done. Thought it was a rainbow at first. We have canvas. We have a base of Black Widow. Come on. Am I going to pull a PMG before this decade ends? Pardon me, I'm a little scratchy throat here. We've got Kang base. We've got Mr. Fantastic on the leather. Mr. Fantastic on the leather. Let's see, we've got Blue Tracks, Fantastic Four, Mr. Fantastic. They're cool cards. All right. Cover Thor up here for a second. Like I said, at least you get some cool cards that you can actually sleeve and top load. I am down to 4 packs. Last of the box magic, please. I want a PMG or a Metallurgy card. Doctor Strange. We have Corner Box Creations. Doctor Strange. Cool. Clear cut. White Queen. Nice set of legs. Nice yams. Okay, so White Queen. We'll go where? Let's take White Queen and cover Namorita. And we have Moon Knight base. We are down to 2 packs. We have Quasar. It just looks like he's just happy. Happy superhero. We have got Johnny Blaze. No relation to Johnny Ringo. That is a canvas, by the way. And we got Major Victory. A rainbow. Seems like he copied Captain America. I don't know much about Major Victory. And we have, this guy just is weird. Yeah. Leader. Last pack, guys. Last pack magic. I don't know. We'll see. I see the best we're going to get is probably a Blue Tracks. Okay. We got Thanos base. We have X Factor. Blue Tracks. And then we have nothing. Okay, so we've got a canvas. Yep. And we've got a Iceman base. All right, well, we didn't pull that Metallurgy, or we didn't pull the PMG. So because of that, I'm going for it again today on Saturday. Again, I'm going to take a break. This will be the 4th video for today. I'm going to take a break and regroup. We'll go from there. So that leaves me 60 boxes even of this. So I'll have 60 boxes left to get that PMG. All right, guys, thanks. Watch for the next video.